What's up, CG crew? Welcome back to the channel. I'm about to go in Dollar Tree and pick up a few items. I have my list and I left my Lysol wipe, but I'm just going to use what they have here. My Lysol wipe was right in the car. I took it off the road and spray some stuff. I'm guessing this is disinfectant. So use this. Get me a buggy. Some water. Oh, I need water. Let me get a few of these. I'm just gonna get two. Probably gonna get some from BJ's this weekend, but I didn't feel like stopping, so I'm here getting a few items. I didn't feel like going inside of a big store. So let me see. I gotta get, oh, they got the Lysol wipes too, like they sell at Walmart. Walmart have them for 97 cents, and they're $1 here. So this is the, I guess is the new aisle for cleaning. Looks like they're putting stuff over here. And I tried this water. Chelsea, I am Chelsea Janae. She said it was good, so I tried it, and it's pretty good. I didn't think it was gonna be sweet, but it did have a little sweetness to it. So I'll definitely get it again, but just not today. Let me focus on what I need to get first. And I'm glad it's not that many people in the store, because once again, I'm getting used to the, vlogging or the shopping out in public. So I actually have my phone on my, what do you call it? Lord Jesus, my mind. This is why I have to write stuff down. I have it on my selfie stick. And I'm about to get some Dawn. It may be here, maybe in a different aisle. I don't know. Maybe they don't have any. But since I'm not seeing it, I'll get something on that one. I'll get an Ajax. And y'all may hear me breathing. I got my headsets in, and I have this mask on. So, you know. I came here for this, so I'm gonna get a couple of these. I'm gonna get one of these too. You already know. So far I just have 2 6-packs of water, some Drano, which is not actually Drano, but it's plumbing stuff. Off-brand Drano, basically. Comment. And yeah. So let's see what else. Plate down here. Got the water. Oh, I need to go down this aisle here. Excuse me.
Nobody can see what you do to
I'm looking for the Swiffer mops, the dry ones, but I don't see them. Come to the front, please. Don't see them. Okay, maybe it's. Oh, wait. Look. Spoke too soon. These, but it was a different kind. I want the dry ones. These are wet. I don't want the wet ones. I use the dry ones on my Swiffer, and I put my own cleaner, you know, on my floor with my bleach and stuff. So I'm not gonna get them. I have a few left at home, so I may go to another Dollar Tree this weekend and I'll pick some up. So I'm not gonna get that. I'm gonna get some, what I have on my list. Got the water. Oh, I gotta get the candy and the paper plates. No, go down another aisle. Let me get the plates now. Yeah, the other day I bought plates and of course they're gone. So I haven't been to you know, Walmart or Publix or Kroger. Well, I actually did go to Kroger. When did I go to Kroger? I don't know. But anyway, let me buy some while I'm here. Because again, like I said, we need some. And I'm gonna get these. And they don't have the 30 count. So I'm gonna just get one pack of these. What else I need? Oh, the soup. The little cup noodle stuff. Let's see. I just got off of work. I'm tired. Let me go the other way. Too many people. Too many people. Look, hopefully they have the noodles. It's on the other aisle over there. But I'm gonna go around. Oh look. This is cute. Aw. Final bling before the ring. Oh, final fling before the ring. That's cute. It's my birthday month. It's my dog birthday. It's my dog birthday. Oh look. I guess we'll do a little look at stuff. Quarantine and chill. Y'all don't mind my fingernails, okay? I have to get it together. I have to get it together. And this is cute because if you're having a bachelorette bash, you don't have to make them yourself. You can go to Dollar Tree and make it easy on yourself. If you want to have a pink and black and white theme. Oh, just put this mask. I'm trying to talk. I'm out of breath. Celebrate every moment. Oh, these are cute. My horoscope said this would happen. Okay. Let's see. Alright, and let's go and get the candy and then we're out of here. Excuse me. Anything I want in here? No. Them people out there. Oh, there's still people there, but not that many people. Let me go get my noodles. Excuse me.
I don't see none. All right, try to get you.
Alrighty. About to pick up some noodles. Do they have any beef? Oh, no, they only have chicken. So I'm gonna just get one. Oh, look. Spoke too soon. I want beef. Well, I'm gonna keep the chicken And the beef. I'm gonna get a beef too. Ah, boy. Beef, and I also had bread. Let me just get a bread on here. So this look narrow. May 1st. They all probably got the same date. Let's see. Uh-oh. One of my things fell out my ear. Okay, as I was putting my earpiece back in, it stopped my video, of course. May 4th, so we're gonna get this one. Bread. And we're gonna go back around for the candy. Excuse me. Uh-oh, excuse me.
What do you say?
All right, let's see. My husband said he wants Werther's. And when you look at this video, babe, you see Werther's. They don't have the chewy kind. They have vanilla. You don't want vanilla. You want the caramel. It's only hard. I don't see the chewy, but I'm going to keep looking, okay? Look at her, no mask. I tell you, I don't see. Let me see what snacks I can get for the kids. Oh, look. Oh, I'm glad. When I tell y'all I love these, I haven't seen these. So I don't know if they're bringing them back out or if they just... Oh, well, still some good made. So I'm going to get a couple of these. Look at that. I left my buggy way down here. Let me get some more because I like those. Even though my husband just bought me some double stuff, the ones that I like, but I'm going to get a couple of these. Is how many in here? How many? 4, 6? I don't know, but how many? 3 is enough. I tell you, coming in Dollar Tree always gets you. Okay, I'm not gonna get nothing else out of here. Let me go. Just let me go. Let me go back over here to make sure I didn't miss the word that's chewy. I don't see them. I don't see them, okay? Uh-oh. No, these are hard. Oh, he did say sugar babies. Oh, I almost forgot. Sugar babies. Where are you, sugar babies? Boop, boop. I'm gonna get 1 box. I don't want any candy. I'm gonna get the kids a pack of Sour Patch Kids. So, alrighty, CG crew. So far, I have bread, Sour Patch Kids. Let me go on the other side. Sour Patch Kids, Sugar Babies, cup noodles, the Lady Gaga, Oreos, paper plates, dishwashing liquid, water, comments, off, Drano. And that is it. So we're about to head to the line. For number 2. Oh, boy. Oh, I forgot the foil. Can I run back and get the foil? See, look at that. That's a shame. I had a list and still forgot something. I'm running down the aisle like supermarket sweep. And I'm gonna get this cheap foil right here. I'm gonna get this one and the sheets. Oh, okay. Look at it. That's crazy. I had it on my list and still forgot it. I was just telling somebody that I commented that to just doing nails and said, what about having your list and still forgetting something? Lord Jesus. What we at? Where? Okay, perfect. Oh, yes. Thank you. All right. Got the goods, and now we're out. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a nice thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. We really appreciate it. I'm not going to take the buggy out. So let me grab everything to make it to our truck. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye.